The Uganda Railways Corporation Managing Director Benon Kajuna has issued a strong warning against the rampant vandalism of the railway infrastructure. Speaking at the press conference at the Uganda Media Center, he emphasized the urgent need to safeguard the railway assets, citing growing concerns over the misuse and the negative impact on the ongoing rehabilitation efforts.
Recently, we have had people stealing our materials. Soroti has now become a hub for criminals vandalizing our railway lines. These are the people we have people who are rehabilitating Tororo Guru line. They have now reached Kumi Soroti. So people are taking that advantage to come and steal our railway materials. In March this year, a number of people were arrested in the area with railway materials. The operation followed complaints from the Tororo Guru contractor that 95 railway sleepers had been stolen.
Kajuna pointed out that many people were improperly using spaces designated for the train tracks and disregarding road usage guidelines. He highlighted several areas where property was being vandalized, emphasizing that such actions have significantly disrupted construction projects and hindered rehabilitation efforts.
In Kampala and Wakiso, thieves are also collecting the ballast, the stones, for their own construction needs. That's not allowed. These stones are supposed to stabilize the railway line. The moment you remove the stones, it means you are destabilizing the formation of the railway line. So kindly don't steal our ballast or the stones. Such vandalism not only affects railway corporations, but also plunges the corporation into huge financial issues.
He also noted that despite securing $298 million from the African Development Bank to repair aging trains, the Uganda Railways Corporation still requires additional funds to fast-track the project. He stressed that an annual government investment of $10 billion would significantly accelerate progress and help restore railway transportation across the country.
We are not just rehabilitating the old tracks, we are building a modern railway for a modern Uganda. The reforms are underway. The partnerships are growing, and the opportunity is clear. What we need now is sustainable, coordinated action.
The managing director urged the public to refrain from walking along the railway tracks and to strictly follow the guidelines at the level crossings to ensure safety and prevent accidents.
At level crossings, avoid stopping on the line, especially during peak hours at Mukwano, Wankoko, Nakawa, Chireka, and other places. Always respect guidance from our level crossing guards deployed at those sections. It will save your life.